तारिक खान। तारिक भाई, आपको भी लगता है ये जो डिस्क्लोजर के लिए बोला गया है, और जैसे शलभ मणि त्रिपाठी जी कह रहे हैं कि उसमें कहीं भी ये नहीं लिखा हुआ है कि अगर आप नहीं करेंगे या एक पर्टिकुलर रिलीजन के लोगों को करना है, वो कह रहे हैं कि आप अपना नाम बता दीजिए, तो उसमें कोई प्रॉब्लम होनी चाहिए?
When there was means these type of voices heard that there is a problem with halal certificate product, what UP government did, they just banned those product in Uttar. What was the reason behind that? I want to know. The reason is that there should not be discrimination on the basis of any type of religion. This is also the basis of constitution as well. Now, I want to say that BJP always want to disturb the economic cycle of the country. What is the economic cycle of the country? When you do demonetization, you want to disturb the economic cycle of the country. When you do these type of things that please don't buy something, you are compelling people to don't buy something from that.
Who is saying
Listen,
that?
let me complete. Today you are doing so, and tomorrow a Muslim will also do the same thing. Crores and crores of rupees of buying has been done in Ramzan and Eid, Bakrid and all the festivals. Let it suppose that Muslim also started doing the same thing, you will disturb all the minority sellers, the small sellers, the poor people of the country.
Tariq bhai, 1 minute. You are not. 1 minute, Tariq bhai. How is this about Hindu Muslim? Where is the Hindu Muslim word written in the circular or has been uttered by the administration? Where is that? Why are you making it Hindu Muslim? This is about voluntary disclosure. उसमें क्या problem है?
What is the need? Now you should bring it in everything. Everybody who is having a shop should disclose a name. Suppose there is a restaurant, they should name according to the religion. Suppose my name is Muhammad Tariq Khan, I cannot open Ganesh restaurant. Make it a law, make it a
But what has that got to do with it? इसका दोनों का क्या ताल्लुक है जो आप कह रहे हैं?
इसका यही ताल्लुक है कि आप कह रहे हैं कि जिसका जो रिलीजन हो वो डिस्क्लोज करे। तो मैं ये पूछना चाहता हूं,
वो तो बस बोल रहे हैं कि नाम डिस्क्लोज कीजिए आप।
अरे तो नाम डिस्क्लोज करिए ना, तो पता चल जाएगा आपके कि आप हिंदू हो कि मुसलमान हो।
तो नहीं पता चलना चाहिए,
तो सबका पता चलना चाहिए ना। मैं ये कह रहा हूं,
अभी जो जैसे तारिक भाई, अभी जैसे हम शो पे बैठे हैं,
मैं आपकी तरफ चल रहा हूं।
नहीं, आप मेरी तरफ मत चलिए। आप मेरी तरफ चलेंगे तो देखिए डिबेट का बैलेंस खराब हो जाएगा। अब मैं आपसे एक सवाल पूछ रहा हूं। अभी देखिए जो डिबेट में आप बैठे हैं, सबके ऊपर नाम लिखा हुआ है, तो अब ये नाम हटा लेना चाहिए। नाम से कोई प्रॉब्लम
नहीं, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं। अब मैं ये कह रहा हूं कि आपने कहा कि वहां फल वाला है, उसको अपना नाम लिखना है ताकि खरीदने वाले को पता चले कि उसका रिलीजन क्या है। ये सिर्फ एक जगह क्यों आप कर रहे हैं? ऐसा कानून मोदी साहब ले आए। आप सुन लीजिए, तारिक खान अल कबीर तो नाम रख सकेंगे लेकिन गणेश नाम नहीं रख सकेंगे। ऐसा कानून लेके आइए ना, हम कहते हैं लेके आइए, आप करिए ऐसा। लेकिन कहीं एक जगह डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, वो गरीब आदमी को, एक सेकेंड, वो जो आम बेच रहा है वो पुअर है, वो गरीब है, आप उसके पेट पे लात मार।
This is discrimination. Karan, I'll come to you, but let me bring in Dr. Ranganathan. You know, Sanjay Jha also had a question for him. Dr. Ranganathan, Mr. Jha and others on the panel are calling it blatant discrimination. They believe that this will embolden people to target the shopkeepers, the shop owners, what have you.
Now, this is absolutely ridiculous. As I said, nobody is barred or banned from setting up a shop. A Muslim can set up a shop, a Jain can set up a shop, a Sikh can set up a shop, a Hindu can. Is anybody being banned? All one is being asked to do is to follow the Indian law. I asked the other panelists, is it or is it not an Indian law for the company owner to disclose his or her name? In fact, if you don't have a signboard outside your company, you can be arrested according to Factories Act 1948. वहां पे लॉ चाहिए, यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं लॉ नहीं चाहिए. And I've already explained 4 or 5 reasons, both philosophical as well as real, what is important for a devotee. So I think this is a non-issue.